So one of the things that you can do with your photos in Pixlr E is posterize them as well. So in order to posterize the picture, you can go around into adjustment menu, and then here you can see posterize is an option. So once you click on posterize, you can see that this is what you have. So you can increase out the colors right here, just like this, and you can choose around the posterization level. So let's say if I were to choose 1, you can see that there's high intensity of posterization going on. And as I increase the intensity, more colors pop up, and then it becomes more and more detailed poster, as you can see right here. So you can choose the level you want and press OK, and then you got the posterization effect applied. Let's try that out with other images as well. So I'm just going to go for stock shots right here. And let's say I'm going to go around with mountain, just like this. I'm going to go for web and apply. And this is what I have. So I'm going to go to adjustment right here. And then I'm going to go into posterize, increase the color level right here. And there you go. There's the posterization level that you can increase and decrease, just like this. So once you press apply, then this is what you have. You have the posterization option. And that is how you can work around with the posterization option inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.